Today, we're diving into the critical area of hydraulic brake system diagnostics. As professional technicians, we know that mechanical component failure in these systems can lead to compromised safety and frustrating performance issues for our customers. The initial step in our diagnostic journey always begins with the most valuable tool, the driver interview. A thorough interview helps us narrow down potential problems, saving valuable diagnostic time. Asked about symptoms, pulling, grabbing, improper release, poor stopping ability, or changes in pedal feel.
The road test and initial pedal feel assessment. Following the interview, a thorough road test is non-negotiable. Confirm the driver's complaints and observe the vehicle's braking behavior firsthand. Note any pulling, grabbing, or general poor stopping. These are clear indicators of potential component malfunction. A fundamental diagnostic cue is the change in brake pedal feel. This is often the first tangible indication of a problem. Pedal height. Engine off. Let's start with the pedal height. This is the distance from the pedal to the floor when not applied. If it's higher than normal, immediately suspect an incorrectly adjusted master cylinder pushrod. This can cause partial brake application, leading to drag and premature lining wear. Always consult the vehicle's service manual for specifications.
Engine off and running pedal checks. Let's start engine off testing for vacuum bleed. With the engine off, pump the pedal several times to bleed off any residual vacuum from the booster. The pedal should become firm and hold with moderate pressure. If you experience excessive pedal travel on a vehicle with rear drum brakes, it's highly probable the rear brakes are out of adjustment. With the engine still off, check for internal and external leaks. If the pedal slowly falls towards the floor, you've got a leak. This can be external visible leakage or critically an internal leak. A common culprit for internal leakage is the secondary seal in the master cylinder itself.
With the engine running, let's check pedal reserve. Apply moderate pedal pressure. The pedal should drop slightly upon engine start, then become firm, remaining at least 1 to 2 inches above the floor. This is your pedal reserve. A low pedal reserve usually points to brakes being out of adjustment. Again, refer to the service manual for precise specs. Check the pedal feel and noise with the engine running. Continue by applying and releasing the pedal several times. Pedal movement should be smooth, and it should return quickly. Listen for any abnormal noises that could indicate mechanical issues.
Now let's cover valve failures. Metering and combination valve. Consider valve failures. If the front of the vehicle dives excessively upon braking, or if the front pads are extremely worn, suspect a defective metering or combination valve. This valve's job is to delay front brake activation until the rear brakes begin to engage, ensuring balanced braking. A faulty one causes the front brakes to activate too quickly. Load proportioning/combination valve. If you experience rear brake lockup during moderate to hard applications, or if the rear suspension has been modified, look at the load proportioning or combination valve. This valve ensures maximum braking balance based on the vehicle's payload. As the load increases, it proportionally increases brake pressure to the rear wheels. A defective or misadjusted valve can cause premature rear lockup.
Drum brake adjustment and inspection. For drum brakes, if they're improperly adjusted, ensure the adjusters are working correctly and make the necessary adjustments. If poor performance persists, expand your inspection to worn brake hardware, worn, tapered, glazed, or cracked brake shoes, and drums exhibiting scoring, cracking, excessive inner diameter, or runout.
Heat dissipation and brake fade. Finally, remember the critical role of the brake drum or rotor. Beyond friction, they must rapidly absorb and dissipate heat. A heavier drum or rotor holds more heat. High heat makes linings susceptible to brake fade, especially in drum brakes. When fade occurs, friction is reduced, and stopping distance significantly increases. Always emphasize proper cooling and material integrity.